Changing your YubiKey pin can feel daunting, but I'm here to guide you through it like a breeze. Many experience anxiety over forgetting their current pin or not wanting to mess up their keys functionality. Let's ease those worries. And I can want to see how we might next to this, because all of those requirements on your device, and you are managing mode of, it's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it versatile for most users. If you haven't installed it yet, just navigate to the YubiKey website to download and install. Once you have the YubiKey Manager up and running, insert your YubiKey into an available USB port. The YubiKey should light up, indicating it's ready for its tasks. Having issues with recognition, try a different USB port or restart the manager. Inside the YubiKey Manager, now navigate to the Applications tab, and then select PIV from the side menu. This personal identity verification tool handles PIN management efficiently. Don't fret if the options look confusing at first. I'll explain everything clearly. When selected, you will notice the Change PIN button. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter your current PIN. Being stuck, not remembering your old PIN, use the reset option. But note this action erases existing PID credentials. After entering your current PIN, you'll need to input your new PIN twice as a confirmation. Make sure your new PIN is between 6 to 8 digits for security strength. Choose something memorable to avoid repeating this process sooner than you'd like. Let's talk about common mistakes. One pitfall is choosing too simple a PIN, making it easy for others to guess. Another issue, not backing up credentials before attempting a reset. Plan and back up vital data where possible. Changing your YubiKey pin also means a minor transition in how you handle security. Reflect on remembering the new number. Use a mnemonic or a pattern that resonates personally. This simple trick often does wonders in retaining information. Feel like you're forgetting something? Remember, after setting a new PIN, ensure your PIV credentials are still functioning by testing on a secure site or program. Everything working smoothly, you're all set for ultra secure life. Pro tip, periodically change your PIN to maintain top tier security. Just like passwords, routine updates protect against unauthorized access. It's an excellent practice, especially if you use your YubiKey for extensive secure access. Many people don't realize that a YubiKey can also store up to 24 different login credentials. Pretty impressive, right? This makes it a powerful tool beyond just MFA. Take advantage of this and explore its full capabilities once your PIN is handled. If you run into snags, always remember there's a community of YubiKey users ready to help online. Forums and the official support can aid in troubleshooting. No one needs to tackle tech challenges alone. There's strength in numbers, and you've got this.